Most fencing contractors get this completely wrong. They spend weeks comparing CRM features but ignore the tools that actually help them win more fence installation projects and manage jobs efficiently. Here's the truth no one tells you. The best CRM for a fencing business isn't the one with the most features. It's the one that helps you move customers from estimate to completed project with the least amount of friction. In this video, you'll learn exactly what to look for in a fencing CRM in 2026, which features matter most, and how the right platform can help you close more deals and stay organized as your business grows. Let's jump right into it. If you own a fencing business, your CRM should handle 3 critical areas: lead management, estimating, and project tracking. Think about John, who owns a local fencing company. Every week, he receives inquiries for wood fences, vinyl fences, chain link installations, and repair jobs. Without a CRM, customer information ends up scattered across emails, phone notes, and spreadsheets. A good CRM keeps everything in one place. The moment a lead comes in, you can track conversations, schedule site visits, create estimates, and monitor progress through a clear sales pipeline. That's an immediate win because no opportunity gets lost. But here's the problem. Many fencing contractors are excellent at installation but struggle with follow-up. A customer requests an estimate, receives a quote, and then never hears back again. Often, the company that follows up first wins the project. Now, here's where it gets interesting. The best CRM platforms automate follow-ups. If a customer hasn't responded after receiving an estimate, the system can automatically send reminders and check-in messages. That means more quotes turning into signed contracts. In a minute, I'll show you the feature that can save hours every week. Before that, let's talk about estimating. Fence projects often vary significantly based on materials, property size, terrain, and labor requirements. A strong CRM helps create professional estimates quickly while keeping pricing organized and consistent. This is where most people fail. They create estimates manually every time, which slows down the sales process and increases the chance of errors. The best CRMs simplify the entire workflow. And here's the feature that saves the most time: project scheduling and job management. Once a customer approves an estimate, the CRM can help schedule crews, track project milestones, and keep everyone informed. Instead of juggling multiple tools, everything stays connected in one system. By 2026, the best CRM for fencing businesses should include lead tracking, estimate creation, automated follow-ups, scheduling, customer communication, invoicing, and project management. The goal isn't just staying organized. It's building a business that can handle more projects without creating more stress. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more CRM reviews and business growth tips, and leave a comment below sharing which CRM you're considering for your fencing business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.